Hey guys, my name is Paul and welcome to the second video in C++ series. So in previous lesson we've downloaded and installed Visual Studio 2019. So that's a development instrument, and now let's use this instrument, create our first project and create our first C++ program. In order to create a project, you just have to click create a new project button. Here we'll have to choose empty project. Then let's give a name to our project. I'll name our project first program and we'll just click create. So we've created our first C++ project, but for now it's completely empty. So let's add some files to this project. C++ files. We'll have to go to source files, right click, add, choose new item, and here we have to choose C++ file. Let's call this file main. That's it. We've created our first C++ file and included it into our first C++ project. Great. Now we have to write our first C++ program. For beginners, it's impossible to write first C++ program and clearly understand how each line of code works. I'll write some code, then explain the way it works really briefly, but in further lessons we will learn the way everything works more detailed. Now let's write some C++ code. I want my program to display a phrase, hello pretty kittens. Let's create such a program. So first of all we'll have to use a command called include iostream. This command includes external file called library into our project. Library's name is iostream. It has some C++ code that we need for our project, so we include this library in this way. By the way, we need code for displaying information on the screen. So the next command will be void main. So this part of code is a function. We will learn functions later. For now you need to know that it's an entry point of the program. In main function we'll write the following command, stdcout, and here we have to write some text that will be displayed on the screen. We wanted to write hello pretty kittens. So in main function we used the command cout, that is a functionality which we have taken from this library. Cout stands for console output. Really it seems like these two symbols are redirecting this information to the console. Now we can run our program. To run our program we have to press whether F5 or go to debug and click start without debugging. So let's click. So we see that we've got our message printed. Perfect. We've written our first C++ program, but you see that we have the following message here in the same line, and it really looks not in the best way. So let's make this sentence written from the next line. To do this we have to change this line of code and add the following command, std endline. Endl stands for end line. So let's run our program again, Ctrl plus F5, and we see that press any key to continue, sentence is printed from the next line. Okay. Oh yeah, I just forgot to mention what std means here and here. So it's a namespace. That's a topic that we are going to learn in the next lessons. So for now you just want to know that it's a namespace and that's it. I guess you've admitted that not all commands end with semicolons like here. So include iostream command does not, void main function does not too, but that's sort of an exception in C++. Majority of C++ commands should end with semicolons, and after the creation of a few C++ programs, without any doubt you will memorize where it's needed to put a semicolon and where it isn't. That's it for today. If this video was useful for you, please like it, subscribe to my channel to get notification about my next videos. Have a nice day and see you soon!